In this video, we've broken down a simple process to help you learn more about what property management software does, as well as what to look for, and a list of some of our top picks in the industry. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Santiago with DoorLoop. Before we get started, let me quickly remind you that I am not an attorney, so I cannot give you any legal advice or financial advice. And yes, I am biased because I work for DoorLoop. That being said, let's start from the top. What can property management software do for you? You may be wondering, why invest in software when you've gotten by fine so far with a combination of Excel spreadsheets and other simple systems? What you may not have realized is that you're likely managing your properties with multiple disjointed systems, which are not exactly designed to work together, but somehow you still make it work. But these kinds of workarounds only work so well. And when compared to a complete all-in-one solution that pulls everything together into a single platform, the difference is night and day. Having said that, here's what you can expect from implementing property management software into your business. Tenant Portal. With a tenant portal, your tenants have one convenient place where they can pay rent and take care of other responsibilities, such as monthly parking, pet fees, and run reports. Additional tools for making rent collection easier, which allow you to make multiple payment methods, set up payment reminders, and even set up late fee calculators. Property accounting. Dedicated accounting software like QuickBooks is extensive, but doesn't have the ease of use of dedicated property software. Some tools even offer a QuickBooks integration if you prefer to use them in conjunction with one another. Maintenance management. No more difficulty tracking work orders. You get a central platform where tenants can create maintenance orders and communicate with you directly. Plus, you can assign vendors to the job and pay them out when it's completed. Owner Portal. Property management software can give you a central area to print checks and run important reports. eLeasing. Property management software can simplify the leasing process by giving you access to features like tenant screening or online leasing that makes setting up new tenants simpler and just easier. Keep in mind that this isn't everything that property management software can help you with. Also, not every property management software will offer all of those features together. Okay, so now that we've covered what property management software can do for your business, here are 4 of our top choices. For commercial property, MRI Commercial Management. Our first option, MRI Commercial, is worth considering if you need a commercial-specific solution. MRI is on the enterprise side of the scale, so you get a large list of features. MRI Commercial Management features include maintenance management, retail lease calculator, automated accounts payable, MRI Commercial pricing. MRI Commercial uses an enterprise pricing model, so it doesn't list its pricing publicly. You'll need to contact a member of their sales team to find out more about their pricing. For associations, Condo Control. If managing association is your thing, Condo Control is a good choice. They have community-specific features such as calendar management and bulletin board that are perfect for those running HOAs or multifamily properties. Condo Control features include calendar management, concierge features such as parking, and tracking online rent payments. Condo Control pricing. Condo Control has their features tiers listed out online, but not with pricing. So you'll need to contact a member of their sales team to find out more about their pricing. For small landlords, TenantCloud. TenantCloud is our pick if you have a small portfolio and just can't find the budget for property management software right now. With TenantCloud, you can get basic features like the ability to collect rent payments online, as well as to make vendor payments with their free plan. The main drawbacks with an option like TenantCloud is the feature set. It's a little limited, so there are only a few basic things you can do with it. However, it's a great starting place. TenantCloud features online rent payment, payment tracking, and vendor payments. TenantCloud pricing. TenantCloud offers a free plan for up to 75 units, as well as a $12 and a $40 paid plan that offers additional features. For an all-in-one solution, DoorLoop. DoorLoop is our pick for an all-in-one property management solution. And we've got the features, ease of use, and online reviews to back it up. With DoorLoop, you get a comprehensive set of features, as well as some of the best user-reported customer service in the industry. Incredible ease of use, and all of that at an affordable price. If a well-rounded property management tool that's built to handle all property types sounds like what you need, DoorLoop is the way to go. DoorLoop features complete accounting suite, plus a convenient QuickBooks online integration, maintenance management system, marketing and leasing tools, mobile app, a simple dashboard that's super easy to navigate, live customer service available, and a lot more. DoorLoop pricing. DoorLoop starter plan comes in at just $49 per month for up to 20 units. So try DoorLoop today by scheduling a free demo. There's a link right there in the description. Okay, so that's it for now. Remember, if you want to get access to more videos such as issuing a notice to tenant to remove pets, or perhaps how and when to issue a notice of abandonment to your tenants, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with your friends, your family, your team, and as always, thanks for watching.